Good evening, students. So today we will start exercise 13. This is the case of some word problems. So let's read the instruction first. Question number 1. দেখো question number 1 টা কি বলেছে বলেছে frame word problem or write a story for each of the following number given. কতগুলো নাম্বার দেখো দেওয়া আছে, আমাকে কি করতে হবে? হোয়াট উইল হ্যাভ টু ডু? We have to make a story or we have to write a story or write any word problem. Suppose I am giving an example. The first one is 8. Let's copy the question. 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5, that means 8 lakh. Next 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 zeros after 2, that means 2 lakh. This is the question. So you have to make a story. Suppose in your bank there is rupees 8 lakh and you have again deposited rupees 2 lakh. So what is the total amount? So you have to make a story, right? You have to make any story which is suitable for this question. So you will write any word problem so that the solution becomes like this. So we will write, suppose we will write like this. I have rupees 8 lakh in my bank account. After some days I have deposited rupees 2 lakh in account, right? So at present my current bank balance is rupees 8 lakh and rupees 2 lakh plus 10 lakh rupees in your bank account. Now first you have rupees 8 lakh in your bank account, then you have deposited rupees 2 lakh. So total amount now in your bank account will be rupees 10 lakh, right? So you have to make a story, any story, right? In this question, this type of question will not, the answer of this type of question may not be same as given in your book. The answer of this type of question may not be similar which is given in your book. So you have to make a story, any story which resembles this problem given, right? Any story you have to make or word problem. So the first one solve. So like this you will make story of the different type of total 8 questions given. Suppose I am doing question number 4. Suppose question number 4 given 280915 plus 894, right? So think a story which is perfect or which is suitable for the question given. Suppose a company which produces or which manufactures this number of motorcycles in 2021. In the next year the company increased the number of motorcycles to 894. So what is the total number of motorcycles of this 2 year? Like this you can make any story. So let's write the story first. In 2021 a company manufactures 28095 motorcycles in 2021 a company manufactures 280, that means 2,80,915 motorcycles, right? But due to some reason, let's make it 2020, but due to some reason in 2021 the same company produces only 894 motorcycles. So total number of motorcycles manufactured by the company at present, right? In 2020 a company manufactures 2,80,915 motorcycles, but due to some reason in 2021 the same company produces only 894 motorcycles till now. Till now means today is 11th of May, so till 11th of May 2021 the same company produces only 894 motorcycles, right? So total number of motorcycles manufactured by the company at present. So you will add them both. 280,915. This is the number of motorcycles produced by the company in 2020, and in 2021 till now, that means till 11th May today, the company only produces 894 motorcycles due to some reasons. So total number of motorcycles at present the company produces, you will add them both. Add them both. 5 4s are 9. 2811809. Clear? So like this you will make a story, any story which is perfect or which is suitable for the given question. Let's take another sum. Suppose question number 7. 265,000 minus 257,819. 257,819. 265,000 minus 257,819. So think about a story which is perfect for this question. So this is the case of subtraction. Subtraction is given, so you have to think a story like that because it is a given subtraction, right? So think about this question. What can be the solution, or what can be the word problem for this question? So you can write like this. Suppose in your bank account you have this number of rupees and you have withdrawn this number of rupees for some reason. Withdrawn means you have taken out this amount of rupees. Initially you have 2,65,000 rupees in your bank account, but due to some circumstances you have to withdraw some money. So you have withdrawn this much of money from your bank account. That means you have taken out this much of money. So what is the current balance in your account? That will be the case of subtraction. So write like this. I have rupees 2,65,000 in my bank account, but due to some reason I have withdrawn rupees 2,57,819 in the next day, but due to some reason I have withdrawn 2,57,819 in the next day. So at present my current balance is, so therefore if you withdraw this much of money from your account, therefore it will be subtraction from your from this 2,65,000 rupees. Therefore 2,65,000 rupees from 2,57,819 minus therefore this is only 7,181, like, so do not write these zeros because it is only 7,181. So your current balance after withdrawing this much of amount will be 7,181. Right, so you have to make a story. This exercise 13 is given some problems, and you have to make your story according to the question given. So remaining question you will do in homework. Think about story which is perfect for this question. Let's move to the next exercise. Exercise 14. Exercise 14, the question given, first question is multiply. You have to multiply. So first question is 95637 by 100. Suppose I am doing question number C also. Question number C given 48256 into 300 by 300. Given it is by multiply 300 and it is given multiply sign. So 48256 multiply 300, right? So first question, by means you have to multiply. The clearly instruction is given multiply. So just multiply 95637 and 100. So what is the rule for multiplication? First multiply 0 with the number, then this 0 with this number, then 1 with this number. That is the rule for multiplication. So 07s are 0, 03s are 0, 06 are 0, 05s are 0, 09s are 0. Put a cross sign, then again with this 0, 07s are 0, 03s are 0, 06 are 0, 05s are 0, 09s are 0. Put a cross sign like this. Next multiply with 1, 17s are 7, 13s are 3, 16s are 6, 15s are 5, 19s are 9. Then add 0, 0, 7, 3, 6, 5, 9. This is the answer. 95637 0, 0. Next question number C, 48256 300. Same rule, same procedure. First multiply with 0, 0, 5s are 0, 0, 6 are 0, 0, 5s are 0, 0, 2s are 0, 0, 8s are 0, 0, 4s are 0. Cross again with 0, 0, 6 are 0, 0, 5s are 0, 0, 2s are 0, 0, 8s are 0, 0, 4s are 0. Then with 3. Add them both. So 1447680. This is the answer. Right. So question number C is also done. Next move to question number 2. Question number 2, find the product in each case. So the second one, B. So see, it is given, the number given 329 into 1. So therefore the number answer is this 8965329, because any number which is multiplied with 1, the result will be the same number. If you multiply any number with 1, your answer will be that number itself. That is the rule. Next, suppose I am doing question number E. Question number E given 7896 into 0 into 523. So this is answer will be 0, because see, a number 0 is multiplied. So if you multiply 0 with any number, the result will be 0. Right? If you multiply 0 with any number, the result is 0 itself. So it is, the answer will be 0. So these are very easy questions. Right? Suppose I am doing question number D. So D is given 41570 into 100 into 1. So multiply now 41570 into 1. Suppose you multiply this number first. Suppose multiply these two number. So 100 into 1 means 100. So 41570 into 100. Because if you multiply 100 into 1, the result is 100, and this number you have written as it is. Now if you multiply these two number, your answer will be 41570 and 2 zeros. So this will be the answer. Right? So like this you will solve the remaining questions in your copy. This will be treated as your homework. Question number 3. Move to question number 3. Question number 3 says multiply and write the number sentence. Multiply and write the number sentence. Right? So first question given 4 to 5 6 to 9 multiply by 8. You have to multiply 4 to 5 6 to 9, 4 to 5 6 to 9 and multiply by 8. You have to multiply and write the number sentence. So multiply first. 4 to 5 6 to 9 8. So this will be this. 8 9s are 72, carry is 7, 8 2s are 16, 16 7s are 23, carry is 2, 8 6 are 48, 48 2s are 50, carry 5, 8 5s are 40, 40 and 5s are 45, carry is 4, 8 2s are 16, 16 4s are 20, carry is 2, 8 4s are 32, 32 2s are 34. So this is the answer. Now you have to write this in sentence. So count. So 34 lakhs 5032. $34 lakhs 5032. This is the answer. 34 lakhs 5032. This is the answer. So like this you will solve the question number 4. Next move to question number 5. Question number 5, just multiply given, some multiplication is given. Let's do one by one. Some question I will solve for you. Question number 5, first one is given 98654 into 48. You have to do the normal multiplication will follow. First multiply with 8 to this number, then multiply with 4 to this number, and then you will add. Normal multiplication rule. See, 8 4s are 32, carry 3, 8 5s are 40, 43s are 43, carry 4, 8 6 are 48, 48 and carry 4 52, carry 5, 8 8 is 64, 64 and 5 is 69, carry 6, 8 9 is 72 and 6 is 78. Cross 4 4s are 16, carry 1, 4 5s are 20 and 1 21, carry 2, 4 6 are 24, 24 carry 2 26, carry 2, 4 8s are 32, 32 and carry 2 34, carry 3, 4 9s are 36, 36 and 3s are 39. Now add. So this is the answer. Let's do another one. Suppose I am solving question number 9. Suppose 3-digit question, 3-digit number is given. First one is 7829. Next with 450. With 450, 7829 with 450. So you will multiply with 0. So 0 9s are 0, 0 2s are 0, 0 8s are 0, 0 7s are 0. Cross 5 9s are 45, carry 4, 5 2s are 10, 10 and 4 14, carry 1, 5 8s are 40, 40 and 1s are 41, carry 4, 5 7s are 35, 35 and 4s are 39, 4 9s are 36, carry 3, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 11, carry 1, 4 8s are 32, 32 1s are 33, carry 3, 4 7s are 28, 20 and 3s are 31. Now add. So this answer is this 3523050. Okay, let's do another one. Suppose I am solving question number 12. Suppose question number 12. Question number 12 given 4319 with 2300. 4319 with 2300. So multiply with 0 first, 0 9s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 0 4s are 0, cross again with 0, 0 9s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 0 4s are 0, then with 3, 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 3 1s are 3 and 2s are 5, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, again cross. Next with 2, 2 9s are 18, carry 1, 2 1s are 2 and 1s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, then add 0 0 7, 8 5s are 13, carry 1, 9 3s are 12, 1s are 9 3s are 12, 12 and carry 1 13, carry 1, 6 2s are 8, 1s are 9, 8 1s are 9. So this is the answer 99333700. So let's erase this. Okay, so after solving this question, next you have given question number, suppose I am doing question number 15. So only difference between the question from 5 to 13 and from 14 to 16 is that in question number 14, 15 and 16, in all these questions the instruction is given, you have to first multiply and you will write the product in words. That is the difference. You will multiply first and then you will express the answer in words. That is the only difference. So question number 15 is 3576 with 9046. 3576 with 9046. So let's multiply. 6 6 are 36, carry 3, 6 7s are 42, 42 3s are 45, carry 4, 6 5s are 30, 30 and 4s are 34, carry 3, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 21, 4 6 are 24, carry 2, 4 7s are 28, 28 2s are 30, carry 3, 4 5s are 20, 20 and 3s are 23, carry 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 and 2s are 14. Next with 0, so 0 6 are 0, 0 7s are 0, 0 5s are 0, 0 3s are 0. Next with 9, 9 6 are 54, carry 5, 9 7s are 63, 63 5s are 68, carry 6, 9 5s are 45, 45 6 are 51, carry 5, 9 3s are 27, 27 5s are 32, 6, 5 4s are 9, 4, 4 3s are 7, 7 1s are 8, 8 4s are 12, 12 2s are 14, carry 1, 1 1s are 2, 1s are 3. This is the answer we have got. Now we have to write this in words. So let's count ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So it is 3 crore 23 lakh 48,496. 3 crore, this is R. 3 crore 23 lakhs, 3 crore 23 lakhs 48,496. So 3 crore 23 lakh 48,496. I have written this in Indian system. Okay. Next one. So 16 and 14 you will do in homework. Let's move to the next question. Question number 17. Question number 17 given using this find the value. So you have to write first, copy that 82946 into 499 given 413900054. This is given 82946 into 499 equals to 413900054. You have to use this, the data given, and find the 82947 into 499. So using this one, you have to find the product. So clearly says that just this is 82947. See, this is 82946. That means this number is just the next number of this, right? So you can write like this: 82946 plus 1. You can write into 499 as it is. Now you will multiply this number with this one and this one with this one individually. Therefore 82946 into 499 and 1 with 499, 1 into 499. In between there is a plus sign, so put a plus sign. Now see, 82946 into 499, this is given here. So just put the value 41390054 plus 1 into 499 means 499. Now you have to add this and get your answer. 41390054 with 499, so 499. Four one three nine zero five five three. 41390553. This is the answer. So you have to use this data to calculate this one, right? So in this way we can calculate question number B and question number C. See, question number B is given 498. I'm giving clue so that you can solve question number B. So question number B is given 498 and this is as it is 82946. So this is same. This is this one here 82946. This is one 82946. Only this is 499. This is 498. So what you will do? Just write like this: into 498 plus 1. 498 499 minus 1. 499 minus 1. That means 498. 499 minus 1 means 498. So just multiply with this and multiply with this, like I have solved this one, and put a minus sign in between them, and this value is already given. Put this value and then you can solve like this. Understood? Let's do the next question. So question number 18. Two questions are given. Same question, I am solving the first one for you. It is given 39529, given two checkbox like this. Multiply. It is given 4 7 box, then again 7 box, again 2. Next 0 2 3 0 2 3 box 6, again a box, then 3. Then it is given two boxes here, 4993, and then last one box like this. So this is the case of multiplication. Multiplication is given. So see, here you have multiplied 9 with a number, you have gained 4. So you have to put a number here so that if you multiply 9 with this number, you will have 4. So here this number must be 6, because you know that if you multiply 9 with 6, you will get 54. In 54, only 4 is written here and 5 is carry. Understood? Then 6 into 2, 12 and carry 5, that means 17. It is given 17, that means 7, carry is 1. Next again 6 5s are 30 and carry 1, that is 31. So put 1 here, carry is 3. Next 6 9s are 54 and carry 3, 57, 7 is written, carry is 5. 6 3s are 18 and 5 will be 23. So here it will be 3. So it is very easy. If you know the rule of multiplication, you can easily solve this. Next, I have multiplied 6 with this number. Next, here this number has to be written. So it is given 2 here. Here 9, you have to multiply 9 with a number to get 2, right? So what number it will be? Think about it. Here must be, it is 8, because if you multiply 8 with 9, you will have 72. Out of 72, only 2 is written, 7 is carry. So 8 2s are 16, 16 7s are 23, 23 3 is written, 2 is carry. Next 8 5s are 40, 40 and 2s are 42, so 2 will be here, 4 will be carry. 8 9s are 72, 72 and carry 4 76, so 6 is already written here, that means carry is 7. 8 3s are 24, 24 and 7 31, so 3 is written, 1 will be here. Now we will add 4 zeros are 4, 7 2s are 9, 3 1s are 4, 7 2s are 9, 6 3s are 9, 2 1s are 3, and so 3 will be here. So it's very easy. See, if you know the rule of multiplication, you can easily solve this question, right? So it is all about multiply and carry, then addition, multiply and carry, then addition. So this question is also solved. Only question B is left. You will do this in homework. So this chapter is already complete. This exercise is complete. Exercise 12 and exercise 13 and exercise 14. Both of these exercise fully done. Thank you.